I was working in the office late one night when my eyes beheld a delightful sight. For my deferred comp balance began to rise. It wasn't my contributions, but to my surprise, the state gave a monster match. It was a statewide smash, $25 to $75 cash. They give a monster match from the offices on Jefferson Street to the MoDOT workers pouring concrete. The employees all came from their humble abodes to get the jolt of savings the state bestowed. The state gave a monster match. It was a statewide smash, $25 to $75 cash. They give a monster match. Most state employees are having fun. This savings party has just begun. Guests include the Warden, a clerk, and her son. The scene is rocking, all were saving a ton. Doubling their contributions, a job well done. The corrections officers are starting to arrive. With any extra pay, they will surely thrive. The state gave a monster match. It was a statewide smash, $25 to $75 cash. They give a monster match. Out from his cubicle a voice did ring. Seems the boss was troubled by just one thing. Opening his computer, he shook his fist and said some people aren't saving, that's free money they missed. The state gave a monster match. It was a statewide smash, $25 to $75 cash. They give a monster match. Now everything's cool, more workers are saving. The monster match is a hit, everyone's raving. For you, the employees, this match was meant to help you save more for retirement, so time to accrue. The state gave a monster match. It was a statewide smash, $25 to $75 cash. They gave a monster match. Oh, match good, savings good.